Can you tell which one of these Mitt on a Stick Pros is our new design? Well, I'm gonna show you the difference coming right up. Okay, if you notice that this head rotates on the old Mitt on a Stick Pro, then you guessed correctly, it was in my left hand, and this is what we changed. So the old Mitt on a Stick Pro had this button that allowed you to lock it in place from side to side, but it did tend to rotate a little bit, and you know, when you're rotating all these different ways, it was easy to sort of get flopped over, more so than we would have liked. And so because we listened to client feedback here at Autofiber, we decided to redesign this. So if you look at the new Mitt on a Stick Pro, essentially same thing, same length. You know, our original Mitt on a Stick Pro did not have the logo up here, so that is a slight design change from the original one that we showed you guys some time ago. And you notice it kind of looks similar, but this is a fake button. It doesn't actually work. So the new Mitt on a Stick Pro only rotates up and down. And then of course, just like the original Mitt on a Stick, you can lock that into place by just rotating this switch here without worrying about it going side to side. If this is the first time you're seeing our Mitt on a Stick Pro, well, let me tell you a little bit about it. So it comes in 3 sections, one of which is angled. So when you're up on an SUV, it allows you to angle up. And of course, we already talked about it, but the head swivels, which gives you a little bit more reach, or a little bit more angle to reach those areas. And they're padded, so if it bumps the paint, and these are really soft, if it bumps the paint, it's not gonna scratch it. So it's really easy to assemble. It comes in our new retail packaging. It's great for SUVs and trucks. I didn't think I would use it before, and I use it constantly. So check out the Mitt on a Stick Pro, improved design.